Hey, I'm just kidding. This is George Pierce here, and I want to share some stuff about Google Earth and Google Maps with you. I don't know if you've checked them out recently, but they are pretty neat. There's been some really cool updates. I'm just going to quickly show a little bit here. You can zoom out. You can see the dark side. It's like real time. And then on the side here, if you zoom all the way out, you can do all kinds of neat stuff. Go to the moon, go to Mars, Ceres, Europa, planets of moons of Jupiter, all sorts of really cool stuff you can see in detail. I'm just going to show you the space station. So this is the most recent one here, but they will update this on a regular basis, and you can actually see what it's like to be in the viewing part of the space station. Cool. So I'll get to the lesson I want to share with you right away. Okay, so the lesson I want to share with you today isn't actually in Google Maps when you Google things. It's actually a product that you have to go through your Google Drive. So this is an activity I've done with my classroom before. So if you go into your Google Drive, this is where you want to start from. So what you're going to do is you're going to be making your own map, sharing it with your students, and having them populate it with different things that they want to put on there. So on the left-hand side here, you can see that it's you go new, then you go down to more, and you want to do a Google map. So this means you're going to get the same map as everyone else has, but this will be your map. So what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to make layers on this map. So I'm going to call this layer, let's say room 11 provinces. And that's their map. So essentially on this layer of the map, this classroom will be going down and they will be labeling all the different provinces. Now, this can be an interactive map, so you can actually share this map, room 11 map. So you can share this map to whoever you want through like this link up here, and you can share that, let's say through Google Classroom or just through a bit.do website shortener, just so they can find it easily, and then they can collaboratively work on this map in real time. So maybe someone wants to say, oh boom, I found Alberta. So they're going to add a marker and they're going to put it right on Alberta here. Okay, so point 1, I'm going to write province of Alberta. You know what, I'm just going to write province. I'm just going to write Alberta just to keep it simple. Save. Maybe we'll do those ones in blue. Alberta. I want to add another point of interest here, and it's going to be Saskatchewan. Look at that, I spelt it right? I spelt that right. Alright. So now you can see we have our markers, and they're blue. You can then go down and you can add a layer. So maybe this next layer, I'm going to do another lesson and I'm adding to the map now. Now this next layer might be student places they have been. So maybe I have a couple students, this is a kind of good way to get to know you, or just interesting stuff. Maybe I have a couple students that have been to Chicago, Illinois. Yeah, Chicago, Illinois. So they can go down here, bing, drop a place marker, and you know what, maybe they want to have a different type of place marker. We'll edit that after, so you can say Mr. Pierce. So that can be my place marker, in 2007. Cool. Nice and straightforward. Now I can go style, maybe it's a place of interest. I can say popular icons, home, or I can just go colors. Maybe I want to do a yellow color. Black. I wanted yellow. Yellow. So now you can zoom out, you can see blue icons. For one lesson you did learning about Saskatchewan and Alberta, learning about provinces, and then you can also see the second layer, learning about provinces or places students have been. And this map can then go on and on. You can do continents, you can do houses, origin, different places where students would like to really you're limitless with the stuff you can do. And this can be a year-long project where you can really see a bunch of really neat stuff from students. You can see all this different activities, and it's something that you build upon and you can go back to.